For a blind catch stitch hem, I made my first stitch in the hem. Then the next one, I will come over about a 1/4 of an inch and pick up the smallest amount possible. Don't know if you can see that. And my needle is going towards where my thread is coming out. So the next one, because this is on the inside, I don't care how much fabric goes into my needle. It's still going to be a small amount. And I'm still pulling away from where my thread goes. So my thread is coming from this side, and my needle is going to go in, pointing towards where my thread is, making little tiny X's. I'm holding the hem of my fabric. You could easily pin this in place so you don't have to hold it. So I placed a pin right there. I pre-pressed my hem so it was at the proper distance. So I've gone about 1/3 of the way. If my thread color matched, you wouldn't be able to see as well. Also, the fewer little pieces of thread that you pick up within the fabric, the smaller this little dot will be. But that is a blind catch stitch hem.